Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shorna from Crochet with Shorna. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we will learn how to make a crochet flower. This is the most simplest flower. You just have to do a magic ring, which link already in the description box. You can check it. Then you have to do 3 chains, 2 double crochet, again 3 chains and a slip stitch. And you have to repeat this process for 4 more times to make 5 petals. It is the most easiest and less time consuming flower. If you want to make a flower within just 10 minutes, you can definitely go for it. After repeating the process for 4 more times, now you just have to pull the first extra yarn to make the petals closely laced to each other. Then you just have to make a knot between the first and last extra yarn. Now you have your flower. Then cut the extra yarn with the help of scissor. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching the